Hello everyone, this is Kathleen from Hrlashes. Hrlashes has been focusing on handmade, high-quality lashes for 15 years old. As a famous lashes vendors and lashes manufacturer, today I'm glad to share the most luxury 25mm lashes in our company. You can see this is 25 mink lashes catalog. You can see the styles. This is a natural style. This is a luxury style. This is crisscross style, and so on. These lashes are very long. You see, very fluffy, luxury, soft, vivid, and very beautiful. Keep in touch if you want to know more lashes. Now you can see this is DB multi-layer 25mm, and this is the most luxury lashes in our company. Very black and long. We sell very well. If you want to know more details, please don't hesitate to tell me. Did you pay attention to the lashes box behind me? Yes, we can custom lashes box with private label. You can see this glitter square box for 25mm lashes box, very big and shine. You can see also this is a special paper with big window, very beautiful. This is marble square lashes box for 25 mink lashes. You see, this is rectangle lashes, also suitable for 25mm lashes. And this door box, very shiny. We can print your private logo on the surface. Also, welcome to order our 25mm sample pack lashes. I'm sure our lashes will not let you down, and we can support your lashes business.